Shop the Divine Collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Hi guys, Linda is immediately here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 websites for sourcing wholesale suppliers for your business. Yeah, I know lots of us have gotten so used to Alibaba that we forget that there are other alternatives to Alibaba. I'm going to be sharing 5 of these other platforms with you in this video. If you want to know what these 5 other platforms are, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, bro, please click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads. Let's get right into it. First website is Global Sources. I'm quite sure you may have seen an ad on YouTube, or you may have seen an ad somewhere about Global Sources. And if you haven't seen an ad about Global Sources, I'm letting you in on Global Sources today, because Global Sources is similar to Alibaba. You can get a ton of manufacturers, suppliers of various products on Global Sources. The thing with Alibaba is it's not every supplier on Alibaba that is a manufacturer. And with Alibaba, there's an easy entry into Alibaba. Anybody can access Alibaba. Unlike Global Sources, everybody doesn't know about global sourcing. You are able to get more unique products, unlike the products that you find available on Alibaba. Most of the people who sell products on Alibaba sell the same thing on AliExpress. So you find out if you're getting a supply from Alibaba, the same thing you're selling would also be sold on AliExpress, which makes whatever it is you're selling not really reasonable. Try Global Sources. The downsides towards Global Sources is that the MOQ on Global Sources is higher, and the reason why you find that it is higher is because, of course, most of the people who sell products on Global Sources are manufacturers, so they want to produce more quantity for you. The beauty of it being higher is that when they produce for you, you know, it'd be very difficult for you to find that same thing they produce for you elsewhere, because it's not everybody that'll be willing to buy the product in a very large quantity. Second website which you can get wholesale suppliers from is dhgate. There are a ton of suppliers for beauty products, fashion, and other things on dhgate. There's someone looking to start a selling fashion items like bags, accessories, clothes. I highly recommend dhgate. I know there are lots of suppliers for fashion items on dhgate, and I believe that you will be able to find a supplier that has very unique fashion items on dhgate. The beauty of dhgate is that when you look at the fashion items that they have there, you see that they have similar designs to very high-end fashion brands. So if you are someone who is marketing your business to be one that sells maybe knockoff versions of high-end fashion items, then you should go to dhgate to get a supplier for your fashion brand. Guys, the third website to go get a supplier for your business is 1688.com. 1688.com is similar to Alibaba. In fact, I believe it is owned by Alibaba. But on this website, you get a ton of manufacturers. You get a lot of suppliers on the 1688 website. The beauty of the 1688 website is that the products they sell on 1688 are lower priced. The products are cheaper. And the downside to buying from 1688 is that it only allows you to purchase, it basically sells to just Chinese consumers. So if you want to buy from the 1688 website and you don't understand Chinese language, you might need to get an agent to help you purchase goods from that website. And that agent has to understand China and possibly live in China. So with the 1688 app, you get cheaper products. So the products might not be very good quality like the other platforms like Global Sources and dhgate. But the beauty is you just get very lower prices, and the downside, like I said earlier, is that the website is in China, so you need to get an agent that speaks Chinese to help you purchase from the website and have it delivered to you in your country. Fourth website I'm going to be sharing with you is named China Brands. The beauty of this website is that they can drop ship products to you. So let's say you're starting a business and you need a website that can drop ship products to your customers. All you need to do is order this product and set your customer's address as the receiver. So you literally are not stressing yourself. Your customer sees the product they want to buy, they pay you, and you use the customer's money to buy the product, and the product is being delivered directly to your customer. The beauty of the China Brands website is that the MOQ is very, very low. I believe they don't even have an MOQ, so you can even order just one product and have the product delivered to your customer. And it's by far the best for drop shipping next to AliExpress. So if you're starting a business and you need a website that can drop ship products to your customers, then try the China Brands website, because they can have the products that they have available for sale on their website delivered directly to your customers, so you don't have to deal with handling products. And the fifth and final website called Made in China site. Guys, you find a wide range of products available on this website, and the quality of the products you find on this website are very good. So if you're somebody looking to start a business, or you already have a business and you're just looking for more variety in terms of the quality of products and just more options that are different from what are available in the market, and I believe you can try Made in China. I hope these 5 websites are able to help you in your business, while you're about to start your business, while you are looking to expand your business. If you got value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button and share this video with your friends who are also going to get value out of it. And please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video, share it, and I'll see you in my next one. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. I love you. Bye, guys.